Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan Pynkynmaw Biang jo Menteri Kampo Yeng Kari u Amit Shah ikimat barki isu kum ka inner line permit kum jo ka jingdawa banyo Jingithuh no Ktien Khasi bat Garo haga kernet ka bapra. Ya kani lapan pau ru sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ba Preston Tensong haba pentip ba u Amit Shah unwan sa Shillong nak benta ka Jingithuh juga North Eastern Council plenary meeting ka sedang benta kasni rengkat barki Menteri Rangba kumju kilat na ki Jylla jong ka than chate lam ngi jong kari.
Plenary session tomorrow is about the NEC. So leave aside that program. But when you talk about the pursuing the pending issues from the government side, yes, for sure. If we have the opportunity of meeting the Honorable Home Minister, we will surely uprise and we will surely talk to him again about the pending issues of one is ILP and number two is the 8th schedule language that we have already passed in the Assembly.